Hello everyone. I hope you are able to hear me. Wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start. I hope you are able to see my screen now. Okay, we'll start. Okay, let others join. Okay, so today's agenda is what are search help that we have not seen on the last session. Okay, what is the help view which we have not seen? How to create it? Like I said, we'll be using it when we are going to use it in our SAP programs. That time we'll see how to use the search help and help you. Okay, so we had one view option available here that when we are creating some G views, so that time when we click on the create button, we are getting the help view option over here, right? So that we'll be seeing it how to create the help view, along with that how to create the search help. Okay, so these two things we'll be seeing today along with the log object also, because now we are working on the report programs. Okay, so there it will be used how to use that, so that we'll see right now. So first let's see what is help view actually. Okay, so if I just create just help view, click on create. I think it is already exist. Let's give SAP ABAP help view. Yeah. So let me save it first, then I'll tell you what is the help view and how do we create it and why do we create it actually. So all those things I'll be telling along with that. Okay, so see what happens that when we are creating the report program, right? So when we went to SE38, right? So if I just go in cancel mode, SE38. So when the user execute the program, right? Because they don't have SE38 access, but they do have, like if I say MB23, okay, this is one of the transaction I can say. Okay, and they want to select some value based on the, because the user is new, he does not know what to enter over here. Okay, or I'll go ME23N, which is our purchase order screen. So initially user does not know what to fill. Okay, the experienced people knows like what can be my purchase order number series, or what all the values I can put inside that thing. Okay, but when the people does not sure what values they have to put, we have to give some help actually. Okay, so you can select either these values, or if you it is not there, then you can give your values. Based on that you will get the data on the screen or on the as the output, or you will be able to perform some operation. Okay, okay, this is also taking time, so I'll open mm03. Okay, so mm03 also we can use that. So if you go to mm03, there what we give is we give the, okay, there is some issue with mm03. Okay, no problem, let's try mm02, because sometimes people are doing enhancement, they are not activating it, and we get a dump actually. So we have one more ticket xt01. This is for vendor master. Okay, it is available. Okay, we can use the xt01. I just want to show you how do we use the help you. Okay, see here. Now when I went to this screen, okay, so it has given me one pop-up to give the customer number. Now I do not know for this organization what numbering process they follow, right? What is the company code? It can be alphanumerical, it can be 1,000 also. Mostly we give the company code 1,000, but they can give XK01, or I can say like B001. Okay, so that depends how they have configured their system. So we don't know what sequence we have to give here. Okay, so if we press F4 button, so this symbol you can see over here. So this is helping us to get the value. So if I press F4 or this button, we'll get a pop-up actually. Okay, so we got a pop-up saying if you know the number, okay, some string value or some company code or company name, okay, anything if you have got over here, then try to give that. Okay, if you don't know that also, just press enter. Okay, we will give you all the information, otherwise we will give you filter information. What does that filter mean? Like if I know what is my customer, like 259, right? So if I just give the 259 in that last screen, okay, if I just again click on F4 here and I give only customer number, okay, customer is 259. So if I give only 259, only one entry will be available in the screen, okay, and the others will not be coming because we are giving one value. Okay, on that basis, on that value we'll be getting, if the data is available for that, we can see that and then we can use it in the program, okay, in the system or in the transaction. So like that only we also have to give sometime into the normal reports, like when we create the reports, right? So we have created one ALB report for our real-time scenario. There we have given one screen, right? So if I press execute directly, so we have given material number and created all. We are getting F4 help explicitly, automatically we are getting it here. Why we are getting? Because the help is already associated with this field. Okay. So if I'm coming here, so it is asking me to give the material description. How I know that it is associated? We can go to SC16 and SC11. Okay, and we have taken the field Mara Meitner, right? Meitner field we have taken. So we can go to Meitner field. If we double click on the Meitner, okay, one sec. See here, if you go in the data element for the Meitner, here you can see that search help is already embedded to this field. If any place we are going to use this Meitner field or data element, we can always get the material number, okay, which is available, and this is a search help which it is already created in the system. So this is a collective search help, means we are creating with the help one or more elementary help. So I'll tell you what is elementary and what's the collective things. Okay, and here we give what all information will be visible when person press F4. Okay, and it says all other search help also it is there. Okay, so this is collective search help. So collective means a collection of one or two or more elementary help. So there are two kind of search help available in SAP. One is elementary search help, the second one is collective search help. So they have created collective search help here. Okay, and that is the reason we were able to see that material number there, okay, in the screen. But okay, we are able to see the F4. If I press here, we are getting the number of material available or in the system. Okay, in that current system, which is ECC, this client, in that system, what all materials are available, we can see that actually. Okay, and then we can choose any of the material, and if you want to do some operation based on that, you can do it. Okay, either you can display the data or you can save this transaction, like some other information you fill it and then saving it, that also possible. Okay, but if I use just now, because we have used some Magnet thing, but if you use character rating, see, we all know that material number is character rating thing, right? So if I give character rating directly over here, and if I activate it, press execute, see, now we are not getting that button over here to use the search help, right? We are not getting any input help. You can see one message over here that no input help is available, correct? And this is a bit important topic for the people when they're creating the customer screen for them, and then user always needed this search help. And we mostly, whenever we are doing the module pool or anything, that time we always give these search help thing. Okay, so let's see how we can create it. What are the prerequisite for that? How we can embed it in the screen? Okay, So we'll see that one by one. I just got one message in the group. Just let me know. One sec. Okay, we have not done anything change for the screen blur, but still let me see if I can change some setting over here. Just give me a moment. I can see the stream status is good. Settings also good. Screen is blur. Navratan having problem. Navratan, is your internet bandwidth is good because I'm using 200 Mbps speed, and any other guy is also facing the same issue. Then we'll try to do something. Guys, comment on that, then I'll get to know. Then we'll move forward. Okay, for me it's visible. So Navratan, can you check your internet connection whether did you change the setting to high resolution, 720p or more than that? Then I think it will be more of clear. Hope that helps to you. Okay, so I'm also recording this session. If it is not clear, I can say that later to you guys. So that's not a problem. Okay, let's move with the topic now. So how to create a search help actually, okay, and how to create the help view. So first, let's create the help view, and why we create it to help the user to get the inputs in the selection screen mostly. Okay, so we'll be going to the view. The name we are giving that ABAP help, and then create. But I think before that we require some tables. Let me check if some table is available. G employee. Okay, employee data table is available somewhere. Okay, guys. Let me stop the session over here. Okay. I think people are not able to see it properly. Then I think there is no use of going here. Session